new platforms like Hashing Airspace are launching, and they're basically allowing you to earn cryptocurrency for doing small tasks online, of which this one on Hashing Airspace you basically earn cryptocurrency. Their ASIMI token, which was launched a couple of months ago, by simply watching a couple of ads every single day. Basically you hold on to your cryptocurrency and wait for it to go up in value. So it's more like short-term, long-term goal, to be honest, but either way you're earning it for free. So what's better way of spending your time than keeping some cryptocurrency that is promising to go up in value very soon? So you know, a lot of millionaires were made with Bitcoin. I'm talking about $10 of Bitcoin 2010 being worth over $40 million US today. So it's all about taking it. I hope you like this tutorial on Hashing Airspace. The link down below will take you to this page and sign up. I'm just going to log into my account and then show you what is Hashing Airspace all about and show you some payment proof. I think on this video I'm going to show you payment proof as well. They actually pay, so this is legit. I've received over $60 from them for my previous payment, for my previous withdrawal process request. So it's actually legit. See, with this software, when it started, I was making about $2 a day for spending less than 15 seconds of my time on their platform. I'll just say a minute for those. So for those people who are a bit skeptical about making money online and say, "Oh, this is a scam, this is what," but this is legit. So I've earned money. That's why I'm actually going to show you my payment proof, proof of payment later in the video. So anyways, so ASIMI token. So this is what the ASIMI token is worth. Right now it's worth 0.00003 BTC. So basically you can trade it for Bitcoin or Waves on a DEX exchange, which I'm going to show you later on in this video as well. So basically, as you can see, I have 59 ASIMI in my account. As you can see, this is my history of minting. I basically mint almost every single day. I try to be persistent with this, even though sometimes I'm just not, I miss it. So yeah, what I'm going to show you how you can actually start earning for free. So for me, I mint with this, with I have a minting ad account. So this one actually now costs about $40, I think. But anyways, as you can see, this is my first ad, and then I just completed this. So if you're interested, you just look at it and see what it is about. If you're not interested, you just click on next ad and then you go to the next one. So that was just 7 seconds right there, and you just bank in some cryptocurrency for yourself. And okay, so this is actually just my network that's a bit slow. Otherwise you would do this in literally just less than 30 seconds every single day. So watching ads is a new thing. It's really popping out very, very fast, and like companies are willing to pay people who are able to put the ads in front of potential customers. So basically this is like sort of a community for people who are interested in making money online. So that's why one is very successful, because it's basically a niche-based platform for people who like you and I, who are interested in making money online. So you find different ways of making money online. Some are interesting, some are not so good. So it's all about you taking time to read through and see whether you can make the best out of any of this. So right now my stack actually only allows me to mint two ads every single day. But for you guys, so right now the only way to start minting for free without paying anything is to use this button, which is the view to earn, which was actually, it's a system that was released about 3 days ago. So basically the best part of this is that there is a daily raffle prize for people who actually spend time to watch this ad. So as you can see, you can earn up to 80 ASIMI, and 10 lowest. 4 random people every single day are winning this, so which is very, very good. Like, it's pretty awesome for some of you who have no cryptocurrencies yet. So basically what you do here, you just get paid to watch ads, like what I just did now. But then this one's you have up to 50 chances to earn. Right here, as you can see, these are the people, the recent winners from the 13th of May, and then yesterday. These are the people who actually won the ASIMI token. So to be able to enter, you have 2 entries, maximum entries, and 25 ads get you 1 entry, and then the other 25 get you, all 50 get you 2 entries into the raffle. So basically what you do, you have all these ads right here. They're all up to 50 ads that you can watch here to enter into. So if you can sort out the ads by value so that you earn more for your seconds spent on this. Otherwise it's as simple as just looking through for the, I usually look for the lowest, like the lowest time span of the ad. Like this one is 7 seconds, so I'm basically watching this ad for 7 seconds, and then I get paid instantly. So it's actually instant, so there's no waiting period whatsoever. You get paid right away. And so it's actually my internet connection that's taking time here. Otherwise this is just a quick process, very quick, very quick. So as you can see here, I've minted my first ad successfully. So it's gonna count up to 25 right there. So it usually takes about, to mint all 50 ads and get your entries, it takes about, I'll say 12 to 30 minutes depending on the internet connection. I usually take about 30 minutes to get all 50 minted. So I would say, yeah, 30 minutes, half an hour a day to actually get a chance to win all those ASIMI, which is pretty good if you got time. Like maybe you're on a bus to work, you're coming from work, going to school, whatever you're doing, you're just bored. That's something that you can do to earn a bit of extra income. So for those who are interested in actually also advertising on this platform, they have this advertising. So you basically can buy campaigns. So you can buy your campaigns right here. Let's see. So advertising products. So they have different advertising products. They got the ad mint advertising, which was the first one that I showed you when I did the 7 seconds. Which one? Those ones, people who watch those ads actually paid to be able to watch those ads per day. So you can be sure that they're actually interested in most of what is being advertised there. Then you got the banner ad advertisements. Then you got the view to earn advertising page, which is what we are on right now. When you sign up actually today, you get a couple free ads. I think 2,000 impressions if I'm not mistaken, to actually just try out and see if it's profitable for you and if you want to carry on advertising with their platform. But for those who want to earn ASIMI token and want to invest a bit of cash, like I think it's about $50 right now, you can come to this ASIMI staking right here, right? Then you come to ASIMI staking, and then it will take you to where you actually need to buy your staking package. So this is what up. So it lasts for 365 days. Increased daily minting limit by 1. So 1 ASIMI stake value. Right now it costs 418 ASIMI tokens, so which is about the value, according to the value today of ASIMI, is actually worth about $40 to $50. So if you want to do that, then you basically just invest. So first you have to buy ASIMI using your Bitcoin or your any other cryptocurrency you got. But then they use, so this is how you basically buy the coins. Use this Wave DEX exchange. Let me see if I can find it on my desktop. Okay, right there, the Wave. So it's actually free to go use this exchange. It's very simple as well. So it's actually free to earn on this. It's actually free to exchange. So basically what you want to do, if you want to buy, you basically come to the DEX, search for waves. If you get nothing on your list, you basically just come here and add them. So you basically search the market, then you add it to your list. Otherwise I already added a couple of them. So you want to buy ASIMI for Bitcoin, so here you can buy for waves if you got waves token, you can buy for BTC if you got Bitcoin, you can buy it for Ethereum if you got Ethereum. So I usually just like Bitcoin. So this is how it will look like. So on this exchange, okay, I think it might look confusing, but it's very easy. I'm just going to explain how this actually works. So this is our price, alright, the price in BTC, and this is the sum of BTC. So we saw here, there we actually need 418. So we just say, okay, we buy 420 or more ASIMI to that we're going to deposit, just to count in for the for the fees and stuff. So basically what I would do is I want to buy ASIMI for Bitcoin. So you basically come here and then select the amount of ASIMI that you want to buy, which is 420 ASIMI. and then it will automatically give you the price. So it's going to cost you 0.01, which is about $50 currently with the Bitcoin price. Yeah, it's about $60 or maybe $40, I'm not sure, but that's how much it is worth. 0.001 to Bitcoin. That's how much you would have to invest on this. That's if you don't want to earn for free and you want to earn about $1 a day watching these ads, but then you basically in 50 days that's your money back, and then for the rest of the 310 days, 315 days, you're basically just making extra bit of profits from this. Anyways, going back, I'm just going to show you my withdrawal proof, so you guys can see that this is actually not a scam. They actually pay out. I'm just going to come back to transactions right here. So withdrawal history right here. It's actually very easy to set up. They have guiding steps right there to help you out. So right here, as you can see, on the March of 21 March 2019 this year, actually withdrew 45.6 ASIMI tokens. So back then, one ASIMI was worth about $1.2. Yeah, I think somewhere around there, or a couple of dollars, somewhere there. Yeah, it was quite a lot. So it goes up and down in value depending on how many people are actually joining the platform and using it. But then over the long run, it is promising to go very, very high in price. I would say maybe at least $3 for one ASIMI from the amount of cents that it is worth right now. So it's all about staking it and keeping it safe in your accounts. So basically that is my withdrawal. As you can see, 45, right? 45.6 something. So if you go back to my wallet, the one that I just add right now, the waves where you actually receive it, so you can exchange it for Bitcoin or Ethereum. So I'm just gonna log in again. Just gotta remember my password. Yeah, I think it's right. So I'm just gonna show you when I actually received those 45 ASIMI. So if you come in on ASIMI and then you get, so let's see, received, let me see, where's the transaction history right here. Okay, so there we go. So that's the 45 ASIMI, 45.6 something ASIMI that I received on the 24th, I think. Yeah, we're saying 24th of March 2019. So that's the ASIMI came straight into my account. And then I basically used it for, so yeah, as you can see right here, I used one ASIMI to buy waves, which is just a token to cover your transaction fees on this waves platform. And then I bought Bitcoin with the ASIMI just for trial. Right here, as you can see, my minus 12 ASIMI was worth about 12 ASIMI coins was worth about 0.0049 Bitcoin back then. The value was really, really high. So and then I exchanged the rest right here. So you can see minus 27 right there, and then that calculated to 0.01 BTC, which is over 40. So in total it mounted up to $60. So it was really, really profitable because I actually invested nothing, because I joined in early on this and it was free. So in the introductory few months, the first month, they actually allowed you to mint for free, and then I used that my savings on there to actually upgrade the account. So basically I made money out of nothing. This is what this channel is all about, you know, catching those trends as soon as possible whilst they are still at a lower value, where they are still very, very new, so that we can actually make the most out of everything. So yeah, anyways, so that's the proof, and I hope you actually liked and enjoyed this video. If there's anything that you need help with, that you did not understand, I'm gonna leave my Facebook account and Instagram down below, so you can contact me there, or you can actually just leave your question in the comments down below, and then I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications for more videos like this. I'm gonna be bringing more value to this channel and just helping our community grow, making money online. This is the new day and age, so let's make money online and, you know, fill up our pocket. Till next time, keep minting ASIMI. The link is down below. Okay, peace.